Hi, today we're going to show you how to use FFR-K1 to repair a cracked basement. The homeowner here, on purchasing the house, found that there was a leak into the basement causing the floor and carpet to be replaced. In order to stop the leak, we called a flooring and basement consultant, and they were estimating $8,000 in repairs to fix this little minor crack. So what we're going to do to show you how to do today is to take a tube of FFR-K1, utilizing some scrim to fill the crack from the floor all the way to the top and make it impervious to water in the future. All repairs here and all materials here should cost between $150 and $200 at the most, and permanently sealing this crack for minimally 20 years. Okay. What you can see is the crack has made its way, and it looks like the homeowner tried to previously seal it. Starts here almost at the bottom, comes up all the way to here, then also has a crack that runs from the bottom all the way up. And as you can see, with foundations, they normally get wider as they get up higher. So what we're going to do today is we're going to apply Final Flat Roof. First thing we're going to do is we're going to brush it deep into the cracks here. Make sure it's good and filled out, and then also leave an outside layer, and that's what we're going to put the scrim on for. Once we have the scrim, we're then going to go back over with Final Flat Roof to make an impervious bond to the cement and also the scrim. And the scrim is going to also help the adhesion and making sure that the crack doesn't open up further, and also keeps the product forced onto the cement. So we'll start that process here shortly to show you how to apply Final Flat FFR-K1 to the crack. Okay. Quick. It's not like other products that air dry. It doesn't take air to dry. So what I'll do is it actually takes moisture. So the moisture in the air, and this is a basement, is actually going to help it dry. So you're going to have time to work the product in. So you can see we're going down the whole entire crack, and we're forcing it in there. Remember, the other company said $8,000 to fix this repair. We're now saying under $200. Product, you can do it yourself. You can look at this video as a guide to show you how to fix your basement yourself. Now down here is where we want to make sure we get it good. See, it's got some little extra cracks here. And any weak spot you see in there, just coat it with it. Make sure it's fully covered, because then in the future it's going to have that extra protection. Remember, we were telling you how it has Kevlar in it. Kevlar makes this super strong product and will actually help strengthen the cement and help strengthen the crack area so that it's less likely to cause future issues. The problem with the crack is normally if you back the water up on it or you don't fix it properly, it'll start cracking somewhere else. So this is actually going to help strengthen the entire problem area. Remember, really force it in. Use that brush and push it in. If you see a bubble form or something comes back out, grab a little more and really force it in. We're almost down to the bottom on this first crack. And then what we're going to do is, you see we're down here at the bottom. We're not stopping there. What we recommend you do is put Final Flat Roof also, or FFR-K1 also, down on the floor. This is going to be covered up anyway by either carpet, tile, or even your baseboard. There's a little nail hole here that could allow water to come up. I'm actually going to just take this product, smooth it out over it, then grab it from the bottom here, and I'm forming an impervious wall for that water to come back out. What I'm going to do is continue going around. I've started to go back down here. I'm going to go all the way up. Next thing what we're going to do is once it's all complete, we'll just show you. This is just the first coat. What we recommend is really just once this is dried, maybe the next day, give it a day or two to dry out, come over, give it a second coat, and you're done. Now you've sealed that crack permanently for 20 years by utilizing Final Flat Roof. We also recommend for larger cracks or cracks that have also do the outside. That will require digging out the crack in front and then also doing the same thing there to form an impervious water bond. I'll show you the finished product when we are completed. Thank you.
Great. So as you can see, we finished putting on our first layer of coating. Total time invested from the cleaning to the prepping to getting the first coat on, less than 1 hour. The cost of everything you see here is under $200. For extra insurance, you can put another coat on. We really laid this coat on thick. You like to have that. The tape is really immersed in the product. There's product behind it. Tape's lying flat. So we're going to leave this one alone. But for your home, if you want to put another one on top, let it set, let it dry, and then apply the other coat on top, and then put another good heavy coat on. To learn more about FFR-K1 and how it could be used not only to repair your basement, repair your commercial roof, repair your pool, and repair your boat, please visit www.ffrk1.com. Thank you and look forward to hearing from you.
Here, honey.